Same day that WSMV4 Investigates uncovered more cases of Medicare fraud in Middle Tennessee, the Trump administration announced steps that they are taking to try to curtail exactly what we exposed. So over the last 2 weeks, I've been reporting on Medicare recipients throughout Middle Tennessee, how they discovered medical supply companies billed Medicare for thousands of catheters for these recipients, but none of them ever needed the catheters or ordered them. We uncovered how it was all connected to a Russian citizens company in Austin, Texas. And just yesterday, we told you about how Medicare recipients Doug and Sylvia Lyons received medical equipment in the mail that they never ordered or needed. That same day, the vice president and the administrator for the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, Dr. Mohammed Oz, announced a crackdown on Medicare fraud.
All the things that fraudsters have done historically will be blocked. This way, we're preserving access, but we're not allowing tax dollars to be stolen.
Okay, so here's what they say they're doing. They're going to start using AI to analyze billing from medical equipment and supply companies to try and catch that fraud. You may remember that we found crooks fraudulently billed Medicare for 300 catheters every month for 5 months for individual people. Again, they never needed it, and Medicare paid for all of it. They're also announcing a 6-month moratorium on new Medicare enrollment for certain medical supply and equipment companies, and those companies will undergo billing scrutiny as this moratorium is in place.